5 in the morning. Tired. But we did go to bed early, so it's time to get this hike on. Let's get it going.
What's up, guys? It's day 2. This is probably one of the most, probably one of the days I'm looking forward to most. We just got a ride, literally a private ride up. The ski lift was supposed to be running and nobody showed up. So a kind of, I would say like a maintenance guy happened to be there, and there was a guy that asked him if we could drive up. So he threw us in the back of his pickup and drove us up, and saved us easily an hour and a half hike. So now we're up at the ski lodge here at Mount Baldy. We've still got about 3,000 feet of elevation to go. Total hike will still be about 8 miles, so it's still going to be pretty gnarly. It's very, very strenuous. But I'm so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see. But this is completely new, so none of us have ever done it. So let's get at it.
So sometimes when there's no one around, get on roofs. You get on roofs and you come get the shot. We're literally on this roof and it's awesome.
No rules. Yeah, so this place, they had snow for the first time in 7 years is what Dante was telling us. But in the summertime, they pretty much, it's not busy during the week. And so it begins. The hike to the summit. Dun, dun, dun. So, we just made it to Devil's Backbone, and you can see it's about to get intense. That is our trail. Yes, babe, that is it. Yep.
Richie got to mile 6 and his legs locked up, so to be safe he turned around and went back down.
Just gotta make up your mind. Tell yourself that you can do anything. This type of stuff, man, it's 80% mental. You gotta have the necessary equipment. It helps if you're in shape, obviously. But for the most part, man, like, you just gotta convince yourself, like, make the sacrifices that you need to make so you can get out to places like this and see views like this. When it really boils down to it, like, when you want something, you go and get it. The thing you have to realize is you gotta push yourself. You know, you can make it sound metaphorical, like you're climbing your own mountain, which we're climbing a mountain, but you gotta climb that mountain within yourself. You gotta convince yourself that you can experience things like this. You can enjoy life, experience nature, see God everywhere around you. You just gotta make a choice. You gotta do it. Go on that journey. I am going to summit. There's no ands, ifs, buts about it. Tired. My butt. I'm going up there. We made it to the top. over there. My wife's trying to bust my bubble over here. The point is, woo! Sometimes you just gotta let it out, baby.
So that was the climb.
That was the climb, people.
Now,
One of the best hikes I've ever done. Now
our
finish,
journey.
which is going back down. Because once you get to 10,000 feet, you got to go back down to 0, right? Even though we don't really go down to 0. We're gonna go back down to like 7,000. Going down is always 10 times faster. I've never been in more pain in all my life than in this moment right now. How you feeling, Nate?
I'm not sure what's worse, the climb up or the climb down.
Yeah.
This is rough, people. Be prepared.
The concentration and words are starting to fade. At this point, I'm in survival mode. I just gotta make it to the bottom. First it was make it to the top. Now I'm gonna be singing it. We made it to the bottom, bottom, bottom. We made it to the bottom, bottom, bottom. That's if Amy doesn't kill me. She's really happy with me right now.
Level 5 people.
She's never coming on another hike with me ever again.
So, we're probably 2.5 miles down, but we just came around this bend and realized we were just up there. Yeah. So, it's pretty awesome. Now it's just trying to get to base.
I just want to make it home. Kind of crazy when you sit back and just realize what you've accomplished. We're not done, but I feel pretty empowered though. Keep pushing.
So this hike was by far the hardest hike I've ever had to do. I started off with having a really good attitude because typically when I have to do a long hike, I don't go into it with the right heart attitude, and so I'm tired and I'm complaining the whole time, but I didn't complain once and I enjoyed it.
It was by far the hardest thing we've ever done at the journey to this point, but it was so rewarding being able to accomplish that together as a team and just encourage one another. We got to a point where it was either get more footage or really make it to the bottom of the hill. Nate pulled his groin pretty bad, and at points we were having to carry him just to kind of help him through, but everybody fought, everybody pushed through, and in the end, it's a memory that we'll cherish forever.
Hey everyone, The Journey here. Thanks for watching.
Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Click that subscribe button down below to watch more awesome videos.
Check out our website for sweet merch, blogs, and awesome content.
And if you're on social media, make sure that you're checking us out on Facebook and Instagram.
Like us, share us, wear us.
Journey signing off.